Here I have ARCHOS Access 57, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select language. I already selected English, and you tap on start. Then you can connect your SIM card if you have one, but if you don't, you can just skip this step for now. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi network, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step and then set up it later. Next you have to set your date and time. Then you have to enter the name of your device. Then you can select the protection method for your device. It could be pattern, PIN or password, but you can just skip this screen locks function and set it later in settings. Then you tap I agree. And your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.